in this video we are going to start from day 6. Let us see which area this activity sheet is dealing with. The area is knowledge of number and operation on number. Unit is product and division of numbers, and subunit is product of integers. You all have seen what is the meaning of integers. You all know natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So in knowledge corner, you all can see one example is given over there. Ajay and Vijay are two friends. Ajay needs 20 rupees to be borrowed from Vijay, and Vijay gave him 20 rupees. After some time, Ajay again borrowed 20 from Vijay. So 2 times Vijay gave him rupees 20. So borrowed means he has taken, and that's why it is written with minus 20 rupees. First time Ajay borrowed amount from Vijay is minus 20, and second time he borrowed minus 20. So total borrowed amount is minus 40. So because he is borrowing, he has to give that money back after some time to Vijay. To Vijay, because Ajay has borrowed, and that's why it is written as minus 20. Now let us see what is given next. Observe the product of integer on number line, and some examples are given over here. First product is 2 multiplied by minus 3. Here you all can see, here it is 2 multiplied by minus 3. That means what? 2 times minus 3. That means what? You have to take the jumps on left hand side on the number line, on the left hand side of 0. As you all can see, on the left hand side of 0, 2 jumps have taken. 2 jumps of 3 units. Why 3 units? Because it is minus 3. So this is 0 to minus 3, 1 jump, and minus 3 to minus 6 is second jump. When 2 jumps are taken, 2 jumps means, why 2 jumps? Because it is 2 times, multiply by 2. Minus 3 multiply by 2. So that's why we have to take 2 jumps of 3 units on the left hand side of 0. Why left hand side of 0? Because there is minus 3. We all know negative numbers are on the left hand side of the 0. And that's why the jumps are taken on the left hand side of 0. Jumps of 3 units. Why 3 units? Because 3 is there. Minus is there, that's why we have to take jumps on left hand side, and 3 is there, that's why we have to take the jumps of 3 units. How many times? 2 times. And when 2 times the jumps has taken, at which point it is reached? It is reached as minus 6. So answer is minus 6. In this way we have to show the multiplication on number line. Now let us see the second example. In second example, what is there? Minus 2 multiplied by 3. So 3 times minus 2 we have to take. Again minus 2 is there, minus sign means we have to take the jumps on left hand side. 2 means we have to take the jumps of 2 units. And how many times we have to take the jumps? 3 times. So 0 to minus 2, 1 jump, 2 units. Okay. Minus 2 to minus 4, second jump, again 2 units. And minus 4 to minus 6, third jump, again 2 units. You all know the units. 0 to minus 1 is 1 unit, minus 1 to minus 2 is second unit, 2 units. Now minus 2 to minus 3 is 1 unit, minus 3 minus 4 is second unit. In this way 2 units jump has to be taken on the left hand side of 0, and we have got the answer as minus 6. Now let us see this third example. In the third example, both the numbers are negative numbers. So minus 2 and minus 3 is there. So that means what? 2 times we have to take the jumps of minus 3. So 0 to minus 3, 1 jump. Minus 3 to minus 6 is second jump. Now this jump is reverted and it has taken till plus 6. Why plus 6? Because both these numbers have minus sign, and we all know minus minus is plus. So when it reach at minus 6, we have to take one big jump at the opposite number of minus 6, and we all know what is the opposite number of minus 6 is plus 6. So first we have to take the jumps on left hand side, because this 3 is having negative sign, and negative sign means we have to take the jumps on left hand side. As both these numbers are having negative sign, we all know negative is positive, minus minus is plus. So that's why we have to take one big jump on the right hand side, so we get the answer as positive 6 or plus 6. So always we have to remember that negative positive or minus plus is equal to minus, plus minus is equal to minus, plus plus is equal to plus, and minus minus is equal to plus. That means same sign is equal to plus and different signs is equal to minus. One more thing we have to remember is that product of two positive integers is always positive, product of one positive and one negative integer is always negative, and product of two negative integers is positive. So just now I have shown this by using signs. Now we have to solve these practice corners in our notebook. For solving this practice corner, we will have to use this method shown in the examples. Okay, this method is shown over here. So this method we will be using to solve our practice corner. So let us solve the practice corner in our notebook. We are having these 3 examples and 2 more questions we try to solve. So these 2 questions and these 3 sums we will be solving in the activity sheet number 6 in our notebook. So let us solve. So now you all can see my bridge course notebook, where I have written this activity sheet number 6. Area is knowledge of number and operation on numbers. Unit is product and division of numbers. And here in this particular sheet we are going to solve the sums on this subunit product of integers. We have to solve practice corner only. So let us see. First sum, solve the following example and show the product of integers on number line. First there is 5 multiplied by minus 2. What does it mean? 5 times minus 2. So minus sign is there, that means we have to take the jumps on the left hand side of 0, and jumps of 2 units, because 2 is there, so we have to take the jumps of 2 units. Minus sign is there, so we have to take the jumps on left hand side. How many jumps? 5 times means 5 jumps. So let us show the jumps. First jump of 2 units, 0 to minus 2, first jump. Second jump, minus 2 to minus 4, 2 units we are taking. 0 to minus 1 unit, minus 1 to minus 2 is second unit. Here also minus 2 to minus 3 1 unit, minus 3 to minus 4 is second unit. In this way jumps of 2 units we have to take on the left hand side of 0. So how many jumps we have to take? 5 jumps. So one jump we have taken, second, again third jump of 2 units, it will reach at minus 6. Fourth jump of 2 units, it will reach at minus 8, and fifth jump of 2 units, it will reach at minus 10. In this way 2 units jumps we have taken. How many jumps we have taken? 5 jumps. And where do we reach? We reach at minus 10. So answer is minus 10. We will be writing the answer here, minus 10. So from this example what we got to know? Multiplication of plus minus, answer sign is having minus sign, plus minus minus, 5 2s are 10. In this way you can conclude this. Now let us show the second example on number line. Second example is minus 3 into minus 3. That means 3 times minus 3 times minus 3. So as it is minus, answer should be plus, correct? But it is having minus sign, so we have to take the jumps on the left hand side of 0. Jumps of 3 units. How many times? 3 times. Jumps of 3 units, 3 times. So let us take the jumps. 3 unit jumps. So 0 to minus 3 will be first jump. Minus 3 to minus 6 will be the second jump. We have to take the jumps of 3 units. We are going to take 3 units. 0 to 1 1 units, 1 to minus 1 to minus 2 second, minus 2 to minus 3 third. So in this way 3 units. Here also we have taken 3 units. One more jump we have to take because 3 times it is there. So it will reach at minus 9. But shall we write minus 9 answer? No, because minus is plus. Both are negative numbers. So we have to take one more jump which will reach at the opposite number of minus 9. Which is the opposite number of minus 9? Opposite number of minus 9 is plus 9. So we have to take one more jump which will reach at plus 9. From minus 9 to plus 9 in this way. So answer is plus 9. So here we will be writing the answer equal to plus 9. Okay. Here I am writing the answers. You should see that enough space should be there while writing the answers on the activity sheet. Now let us go on the next example. In the next example, what is there? Minus 1 multiplied by 11. So 11 times minus 1. Minus 1 means minus sign is there, so we have to take the jumps on left hand side. Jumps of how many units? 1 units. How many times? 11 times. Jumps of 1 units 11 times. So let us take. First jump 1 unit only. Second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump, sixth jump, seventh jump, eighth jump, ninth jump, 10th jump and 11th jump. In this way 11 jump you have to take, and minus 1 into 11, where do we reach? We reach at minus 11. So answer is minus 11. Minus plus sign will be minus. Answer is minus 11. In this way you have to solve this activity. Now let us go on the next activity from this activity sheet number 6. We try to solve the following example using positive and negative sign at correct places. We have to use positive and negative signs. Okay. So in kabaddi match 5 points are deducted for each defeat. Deducted means minus. Okay. Whenever there is deducted, deteriorated, decrease, all these words are there, that means we have to write minus sign. And 10 points awarded. I have not written 10 points and awarded 10 points. Awarded 10 points for each victory plus 10 points. They have given plus 10 points. Awarded means plus and deducted means minus. Minus 5 points are deducted for each defeat, and when they win the match they get 10 plus point. One team lost 3 matches and won 4 matches. So what was their total score? We have to find out the total score. So let us solve this. Okay. So first we find the points of lost matches. How many matches they have lost? 3 matches. So 3 multiplied by, for one match how many points? Minus 5. So for 3 matches 3 multiplied by minus 5. Answer is minus 15. They got minus 15 points for lost matches. And points of won matches. Okay. I will be writing in simple words. how many matches they won? They won 4 matches, and for every match which they have won, they have got 10 points, plus 10, because they won the matches, so plus 10. 4 tens are 40, plus 40. So in this way, for lost matches they got minus 15, for won matches they have got plus 40. Total marks or total points, therefore total points will be 40 plus minus 15. Okay, we have to do the total of these two numbers. What is plus minus? Plus minus will be minus. We have to combine this plus and minus, and we have to write single sign. So it will be 40 minus 15. What is 40 minus 15? It is 25. So in this way, the total points are 25. In this way, you have to write using these signs. Now let us go on the next sum. We have got very small space to solve this sum. Let us see that whether it is possible, otherwise we will go on next page. A submarine goes 50 meter below sea level every minute. Every minute means in 1 minute the submarine goes 50 meter below. Below means down. Down means minus sign. Okay, down means minus sign, up means plus sign. Always keep this in mind. So when it is going down, sea level means it is going minus 50 meter. So after half an hour, how many kilometer of water that submarine would have gone? So I will start writing from here. After half an hour. So half an hour means what? How many minutes? Half an hour. In 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. So in half an hour, how many minutes? 30 minutes. Okay. In one minute it goes 50 meter. So a submarine goes below sea level 50 meters per minute. In 1 minute it goes 50 meters. That means what? Minus 50 meter. Minus 50. Okay, as it is going below, it is minus 50. We have to use signs. Here it is given using positive and negative sign. So in half an hour, submarine goes minus 50 into 30. Okay, in 1 minute it goes down minus 50. In half an hour, how many minutes? 30 minutes. So is equal to, answer is minus plus sign will be minus. 5 3s are 15, 0 0. This is in meter. We have to write answer in kilometer. How many kilometer of water that submarine would have gone? So we will be writing the answer in kilometer. It will be equal to 1500 upon 1000 kilometer. We all know when we want to convert meter into kilometer, it is, we have to divide by 1000. I will write minus sign. 0 0 0 0 cancel. So we have got minus 15 upon 10 means what? Minus 1.5 kilometer. But as it is distance should not be written in minus sign. So in the end, write the answer. Therefore, submarine goes 1.5 meter in half an hour. I hope this solution is visible properly, nicely. Here we have converted meter into kilometer. Now let us go on 7th day. On 7th day we have to solve the sums based on the area, number, knowledge and operation. Unit is product and division of integers, and subunit is division of integers. So this is day 7, where the concept corner is, which concepts you all have to clear. These are the concepts of division of two integers. In division also we will have to remember same thing about which we have recall and revise about multiplication or product. Same things we will have to revise about the division also. Which things? Division of two positive integers is positive, one positive and one negative integer quotient is negative, and division of two negative integers is positive. That means what? Plus plus, answer sign is also plus. Then minus plus, answer sign is minus, or plus minus, answer sign is minus, and minus minus, answer sign is plus. So in this way you have to remember, and we will be doing the simple division here in practice corner. You can see in practice corner we have given solve the division of following integers, draw the answers with yellow circles, and yellow circles in the space given in the answer for positive integers, and we have to draw red circles for the negative integers. Okay, when we get the answer as a positive integer, we will draw yellow circle, and when the answer is negative integer we will draw red circle. So in my notebook, in place of yellow I will be using different color, because it will not be possible to draw. That means the yellow will not be visible properly, and that's why I will be using other color. So let us solve this first. So this is my activity sheet number 7. You all can see I have written area, number, knowledge and operation. Unit is product and division of integers, and subunit is division of integers. We have to solve practice corner. In practice corner we have to first solve the division of following numbers. Minus 10 divided by plus 2. So 10 is having minus sign, 2 is having plus sign. So minus plus, answer sign will be minus. Minus plus minus. And what is 10 divided by 2? You all know 2 5s are 10. So answer is 5. You orally or otherwise take separate page, and then if you want you can do this division like this. 10 divided by 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 0, answer is 5. In this way you can write the answer also, otherwise directly you can write answer. Those who have learned table very nicely, those who have done the practice of division very nicely, they will find these sums very easy. So minus plus sign is minus, and 2 5s are 10, answer is 5. So negative number we will show by the circle of red color. Okay, we will be showing by the circle of red color negative number. Now minus 24 divided by minus 12. Minus minus, sign will be plus. We get plus sign here, and if you don't write plus sign it is okay, because most of the time we don't write plus sign. 24 divided by 12. 12 2s are 24, we all know, 2. And this positive integer we will show by green color, green circle. So in this way you can show by different color circles. Now let us solve this. 16 divided by 4, both numbers are positive numbers, so their sign will be positive. If you don't write the sign also it is okay, plus sign. And 4 4s are 16, so answer is 4. Positive number we are getting, so circle should be green. You can show by same color circle. It is not necessary that you should show it by green and red. Whichever color is available with you, you can show by that color. Okay, now 100 divided by 50, negative positive. Answer sign should be negative sign. And 50 2s are 100, we all know, so minus 2 answer we are getting. Minus means negative, negative sign we will show by red color circle. So in this way you can complete this activity. Now let us go on the second question. Solve using positive and negative sign at the appropriate place. In a trade, 8 friends lost of rupees 5,600. If the loss incurred by everyone is the same, how much will be the loss per person? Together they have incurred this loss of 5,600 rupees together. Okay, so let us solve it. Total loss is rupees 5,600. As it is loss, we have to show it by minus 5,600. Okay, now the loss, if the loss incurred by everyone is same, the loss incurred by 8 friends is same. Therefore, loss per person, for each person, how you will find out? Minus 5,600 divided by 8. Now minus plus, answer sign will be minus. Correct? So I will be writing answer sign minus. And what is 5,600 divided by 8? We will have to do this subtraction here on one page, one separate page. If you want, you can do the subtraction, otherwise you can do it orally also. 5,600 divided by 8. 8 sevens are 56. 0 0. Now 1 0 we have to put down. So 0 0 0, 8 zeros are 0. Now one more 0 is remaining, so we have to put down all these zeros. We have to write again 8 zeros are 0. So answer is 700. That means minus 700. Here while writing in the division we write minus 700. But when we want to write the statement of this question, answer statement of the question, we will not write this minus sign because we are showing the rupees. That means amount. Amount cannot be shown by using minus sign. So while writing the answer statement, we will not use minus sign. So therefore, each person suffers the loss of rupees 700. See, here I have not written minus sign, but here when I have written loss, I have to write minus sign, and then while dividing it between each person share, because 8 friends are there, together they have got the loss of 5,600 rupees. So each person share we have to show. That for that we have to divide it by 8, and while showing the division also I have written minus sign, and when I get the answer also I have written minus sign. But for answer statement we should not write minus sign. In this way you have to show your answer. Now go on next activity sheet.